today is day 3 of spin the motherfucking wheel. Alright, so this is the artist list, you know, we've been doing all the time, but we do have 2 more lists that we're going to be doing. Basically, what I want to do with the artist list though, every time we remove someone, so every time we get someone, every video I'm going to be removing someone. So basically what I want to do is I want to add like one of you guys into the list, so if it spins on you, boom, I will do you. So yeah, if you guys do want to, you know, get your name on this list, just comment down below your Discord username and, you know, like a color or some shit, just so I know, like, hey, we could do like a purple cover or, you know, shit like that. But yeah, join the Discord, and we have a whole channel for like fit pick poses, all that shit. So hey, drop it in there, you know, you might get picked, you might get landed on one day. All right, yeah, let's just spin this motherfucking wheel. Rob49, okay, like I said before, comment down your username, all that shit, leave a like too. Hey, leave a like so the video gets pushed out a little bit, okay? So the next wheel we have is a type of design wheel, so we're not going to just do cover arts this whole series. All right, we're going to do different shit. All right, let's spin this shit. So we have to do a movie poster parody. Okay, if you guys want any suggestions in this, add it in, you know, let me know. Now the next wheel is we are doing restrictions, so just to make it a little bit interesting. Let's get straight into it. Only allowed to use one hand. Okay, I mean, shit. All right, we're gonna use this hand. We're gonna use my mouse hand. All right, I'm gonna have my hand over here so you guys, you know, hey, if you guys see me like this, you know, my posture changing and shit like that, hey, you know, you already know that I'm changing. Yeah, we got only allowed to use one hand. This is some crazy shit. All right, so we're gonna do something like Sin City here. So I kind of really like the whole like vibe of it. Now the aesthetic we're gonna be going for is like a black and red, because on his discography here it's like all black and red shit. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go for. All right, so this is the poster size we're gonna be working with. Now I can't use anything, like I can't use my second hand right here, so this hand is gone from this, you know, challenge or whatever. So we're gonna see what happens. This might be the worst shit of all time, this might be like decent, it might be the best, hey, we don't know. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this shit. I don't know how this is gonna, so I got these images right here, we're just gonna drag them in. So boom, just gonna drag this down so we can grab the marquee tool up here, and we're just gonna select. Now this is where it's gonna get annoying, so I have to figure out how, so I'm gonna have to figure out how the fuck I'm supposed to do all this shit. So I'm gonna try and hold shift, move the mouse at the same time. So yeah, I did that with one hand. Hey, now I'm actually, you know, I might actually be okay. I might be okay because, you know, I'm actually smart and all that shit. But yeah, we're gonna generate this shit, hopefully it's not like messed up. And here we go. So we don't have any credits. We're just gonna remove the background, we'll just work with it. Okay, we'll scale them up, we'll just have them like this, and we're gonna rotate them like in the actual like original posters. So we'll just have them like this. We'll just grab this one. Like, I'm not really sure like what the hell we're gonna do with this, but you know, I can't, this is very, very handicapping. Like, I don't like this. All right, but if you only have one hand, I mean, it's no excuse. You can get some shit done. All right, I'm just gonna put him there. Like, this is not at all like, every time I mess up I gotta do some bullshit, bro. So we're gonna get rid of that, and yeah, this is gonna take a little minute, bro. I'm opening shit, like, come on. Oh my god. All right, and then we'll do that, then we'll convert to smart object, and then remove background. Okay. So we're just gonna use like a composition, something like this. Should be okay. Make them a bit bigger there. Okay, now our reference here is probably not even gonna match at all, but we'll just make we'll make a movie poster out of him. All right, it doesn't really matter about the reference, I'm not gonna lie with this. Well, it kind of does. That's the whole challenge, isn't it? Shit, fuck. I mean, we'll try our best with these images, but we only have one hand, so I can't even do like half the shit I would like to do. But we'll try. So we're gonna go into camera filter here. We're just gonna make them pop a little bit. So Obviously just bring the texture up. Boom. We're gonna scroll down. Color noise, get that shit gone. Noise reduction, boom. Smoothing it out a little bit. We'll probably bring the vibrance down too, just a little bit. Get the dehaze in just to make it darker. Now I might be the best one-handed designer. Now this shit is really like, you guys have to try this shit out like yourself. Like this shit is crazy. Like you don't realize how much you depend on another hand. Like this shit is actually nuts. So we'll just have it like that. And then we need to get like a, oh my god, so we need to get a rainy background. We need to make the background black on this. So we gotta grab the bucket tool. I haven't used this shit ever, bro. Just paint the bucket. Yeah, there we go. We'll get rain. So we'll have saved it. No, I hate saving things. Alright, and we'll just mess around with some like adjustments, maybe like a black and white. And we have to like make this shit like all blend in. So we have to bring the offset up, boom, have it blend in. And then we need like rain. Alright, so some shit like this. Let's hope this is PNG. I'm not really sure. It's probably white, just a white yolk. Never mind. That was like teardrops, but that ain't no rain. Need like sharp rain, like maybe something like that. Drag that bitch in, rotate it. Alright. Scroll over. This shit looks so ass. Nah, I can't use that. I actually can't use that. Like that shit is so bad. Alright, well, it's okay, right? It's okay, it's okay. I don't know, this shit is looking ass right now. Let's just hope we can, you know, get this shit, like bring it back. Okay, let's just hope. I'd like to hope I can. I'm not really sure though. Like this, it's not looking too promising. So yeah, we have to bring the hardness up like manually, or the size up, just like this. Then we have to get an eraser. Where's the eraser? Wait, where? Wait. I don't have an eraser. All right. Here we are with the eraser. Here we go. Okay. Let me look at the reference here. Never mind. Oh man. Alright, so Sin City here, right? So we have a picture of him like in the rain over here. And the composition is like, oh, this one's looking better. Well, I'm pretty sure these guys used two hands to make this, alright? So we're gonna have to bring the whole composition down, so we're gonna have to select them all. So we have to hold shift, transform tool, you have to make them smaller, some shit like this. And then what else do we have? There's a lot of highlights going on here. So yeah, man, shit, this is gonna be tough. Like it's gonna be a tough little challenge here, boys. I actually don't know what to do, bro. Let me just see it. All right, we'll grab another picture here. We'll do that like a little effect where it's like, we'll do the little effect where he's like, let me show you guys this little effect here, down here. And then we can grab some text. So we'll just do a text tool. I think I have like a font similar to the one they do. So I think we'll just name this. I think this font is very similar to it. I might be wrong, but this looks similar. Now this shit is looking so ass. Oh my god. Nah, I have to no, this shit is crazy. No, wait, hold on. How do I duplicate this shit? Duplicate layer. Boom. Okay. Let me. Hold on. Bear with me. We'll make this tough. Hold on. Nah, this shit looks so ass. Hold on. Nah, fuck, bro. This shit is diabolical. So we have to hold shift. Let's select them both. Boom. And we'll like put like I guess we just have to match the same composition, right? Let me fly. Now the only thing that's bothering me really on this is the rain. Like the rain is so like annoying. Like why is there no good rain? Let's try it. Let's try this shit. This shit should look good, bro. Should look good. Okay, drag it below everything. Okay, now we're talking, boys. Okay. This shit doing okay. Now we want to kind of erase some parts because it is looking a bit too like overcrowded, I guess. Like it's too much, way too much. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag this into my ultimate adjustment pack just so we can like get different looks, because this shit look trash right now, I'm not gonna lie. That's looking cool too. Like we could use that as like an alternative. That's tough. I'm using this. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I'm using this. I don't care. We're just gonna duplicate it into the document here. I didn't even know you could do this. Hey, this Loki, you could do this shit. I did not know. All right, we're gonna get rid of all this shit. And yeah, we can just keep working because we have textures on this. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we have a texture on this. So I want to like do the same exact text on that. So we're just gonna make this bigger and we're gonna rotate it and kind of just bring it out to the side like this. And then I'll just do this, and then we'll make it like that. All right. Now, do they use? I'm pretty sure they use a stroke on that shit. So we'll put a stroke on the stroke, make it black. Then we'll drag that layer. Where is that shit? All right. So we're just gonna go ahead and add some textures onto this shit. So we'll just grab a black market. That right there, and then we'll do some like clean text like on top, like just for his name, just so it looks like kind of professional. Like this is the font is so ass, but like I mean we have to recreate the parody. Like, hey, if it was up to me, I would, you know, change it. Like I know this shit is ass, like I know it is, but we'll get like a clean font. We'll probably use like Baskerville or some shit. We'll do Rob49. We'll do Brunson here. Brunson on that motherfucker. Probably put like white. Then I'll shift control shift. Or what is it? Shift control, right? The fuck going on? Like right there, probably, right? We'll bring it closer together. Some shit like that. Might just put it there. And then we can add the parental advisory, right? Shit, might as well. Fuck it. I look, you might change the font though. The font is pissing me off. Like this shit is so like annoying, bro. We can keep it like that. Alright, I mean that's basically all there is to this shit. We're just gonna merge it all and go into camera filter and shit like that. So we will duplicate that shit. Then we will flatten the image. Oh fuck. Shit. Merge invisible layers. And then we will convert to a smart object. Camera filter. And we'll just mess around with this shit. So texture, bring that shit up. Clarity up. Dehaze. We can dehaze it a little bit. Clarity, bring that up. Now we could try and go through like these filters here. So let me see. I didn't even know they had all this shit. So distractions, people. The fuck? Object, sky, what the hell?